friends, Melissa or Missy here, and I am just going to show you how to embed a Padlet into your Canvas. I absolutely love Padlet. It is a great way to showcase work, have students collaborate together, and just a really nice visual way to gather information. So I have what the end goal is I have a module here called Padlets, and you can put it wherever it makes sense for your course. But the first Padlet I've added is Story Time with Miss M. This is where I have my kind of library resources for this time. I've got a little welcome message. I have student submissions for being caught reading, and this is only accessible through Canvas or through the link. So it's basically like unlisted. So it's kind of safe for students. This one is book inspired art that I've asked them to submit. These are some library badges that they've earned. And then I have all of my story time recordings for them. And yeah, so this is kind of a nice way to have it embedded within your Canvas. And today I want to also embed my technology Padlet right into the same spot. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. This is the Padlet dashboard. You can create 20 free Padlets, so there's no need to upgrade to that plan or anything. I really only use two. My story time and my technology class are the ones I use regularly. I have one for a club, Battle of the Books. I've got one for a unit I teach on media literacy and fake news. I've got some resources that I've collected about gender-based education, design thinking process, kind of a nice place to gather ideas for a splash page. And I have some of my curriculum stuff. So I don't use most of these most of the time, so I don't really feel like there's a need to upgrade plans or anything. You can also use a personal email address for another 20. Just saying. So yeah, I've got the dashboard here with all of the Padlets that I like to use. Today, here's my technology one that I want to add to my Canvas today. This is a place that students come for resources about keyboarding, coding, robotics. They're comfortable using this because I use this at school. So from that area, from the Padlet, so you may need to create the Padlet and put the content on that you want. But this one's already done. So I'm going to go over here to where it says share. Click on share. And this is where you're going to go to embed in your blog or your website. It has these two little carrots. Click on that. You're going to want to get this first chunk of code. So it's a huge chunk of HTML. And don't worry about it. It doesn't matter that it makes no sense. Just click copy. Then you go to Canvas, and I'm going to go to modules because I want to add it to my Padlet module. I'm going to click the plus button. I'm going to add a page in this case, and just new page. I'm going to name it Technology Resources and add item. And right now it's unpublished. We need to edit it. So we're going to click on the title. And this is the part where you can edit from this upper corner here. Click edit. And instead of using the simple text editor, this is the rich content one, we are going to use the HTML editor. And that is where we are going to just paste our code. So that's that big old long string of code that we got from Padlet. And all you need to do here, don't type anything, no spaces, just put it right at the top and click Save and Publish. And here it is, right where I want it in that module. Now I did test it. If you update the Padlet externally, so if you're like, oh, I need to add something to technology, it will automatically sync and update within the Canvas one as well. So this is a great way for students to collaborate, to show art, to collect resources in a nice visual way. And yeah, that's all I got for you. Yeah, let me just poke back out to modules. There's one important step that most of you know by now. We need to make sure everything is published. So that has the green check mark, and most of all, the module needs the publish check mark so that students can see it. All right, thank you. Hope this helps. Bye.